Today we're doing a review of these Mary's organic crackers. Got these at Costco, so they're on sale, gluten-free, and let's do a quick taste test. We'll show you the ingredients. If you guys want to see that, pause the video. Here's the nutrient panel, and let's open this up. All right, so that's what they look like, and they come in 2 packs. So here's the cracker. It's actually quite thick. There's a lot of nut seeds in there, like flax seeds, things that definitely taste it. It's more dense as well, but nice crunch. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. Flavor-wise, they're kind of bland though, so.